Hello guys! Today I have picked up my Apple keyboard. It is the wired one because I'm a PC user and I heard that the only Apple keyboard that works with a PC is the wired one. So that's why I ordered the Apple keyboard, the wired. Protection. Do you see this? It's a lot. And some information. And here we have the keyboard. Finally this arrived. I waited so long for this keyboard to come. Away with the box. Here is the keyboard. It's without the number pad, as you maybe see. So the wired one, a good thing about the wired one is that you get this USBs on the side. So let's take off the plastic. Right here. Oh god, the apple smell. I love the apple smell. Take off the plastic and here it is, and it looks pretty. Oh, seriously. I'm a geek and I love the apple smell. And it's so tiny. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but I did not know that this keyboard was so small. And here it is with the USB on the side, wrapped in plastic. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have the USB extender. So if this is too short, just plug it in with this and it becomes longer. And here we have some guide, or it does not come with stickers, unfortunately. I love the Apple stickers. Limited warranty and Apple keyboard getting started and on different languages. And let's take off the plastic. I love this pouch. You know you are a nerd if you love the apple smell and love taking off the plastic and etc, etc. Take it out. I'm totally not gonna throw this. So, wow, this is very, very pretty. And look how tiny it is. Of thin. I'm gonna compare it with my iPhone. Just wait a second. If I have it here. Oh damn! I don't have my iPhone here, unfortunately, but I'm gonna compare it with a DVD. And look how tiny it is. And thin. And the USB is actually thinner. This is crazy. I'm so glad I ordered this. Wow. So I'm gonna plug in this and